Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court on Monday heard a petition challenging extension to the service post-retirement to the Dean of Goa Dental College. During the hearing on Monday, Goa government submitted that yes, there is a proposal pending seeking extension to the Dean whose present extension of service is coming to an end on 31st March. But there is no final decision taken. Goa government further requested to adjourn the hearing for 1st April, saying that till then the decision will be taken, and if the proposal for extension is rejected by the government, then the subject matter of this petition will not survive. Accepting the submission of Goa government, the High Court has adjourned the hearing for 1st April. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.